This question says that filamentous and colonial forms are respectively. In the given options, we have to choose the filamentous and the colonial forms. A. Gracilaria and chlorella. No. Chlorella is unicellular. It is not the colonial form. Geladium and spirulina. No. Geladium is the red alga. It is not the filamentous form. Anabina and volvox. Yes, Anabina is a blue-green alga and it is filamentous form. Whereas if you see the volvox, it is a colonial form of green alga. So this is true. So the correct option for the given question is option D, which says Anabina and volvox. Let's move to the next question. This question says that the transverse section of a plant part shows following anatomical features. A. Vascular bundles are arranged in a ring. B. Large pith present. C. Vascular bundles are conjoined and open. D. Hypodermis is colonchimatous. Identify the category of plant and its parts. If you see minutely the options, you can see the vascular bundles are arranged in a ring. It's a feature of dicot stem. We can be sure about this by seeing the remaining options. Large pith present. Yes, it is again true for the dicot stem. The vascular bundles are conjoined and open. Again a feature of dicot stem. Hypodermis is colonchimatous. Again is a feature of dicot stem because the colonchima is generally absent in the monocots. So if we see the options now, identify the category of plant and its part. 1. Monocotyledonous root. No, because root has radial vascular bundles, not the conjoint. So option number 1 and 4 are ruled out, as in both the options root is given. Now second and third, in second it is monocotyledonous stem, which is not also possible because colonchima is generally absent and the vascular bundles are scattered, not they are arranged in a ring. So the correct option for the given question is option 3, which says dicotyledonous stem. Let's move to the next question. This question says how many total characters of pea plant were studied by Mendel during his experiments. Mendel conducted various experiments on pea plant and he took 7 characters for his experiments in pea plant. So the correct option for the given question is option C, which says 7. Let's pick up the next question. This question says stored food in red algae is cellulose. No, it is not the cellulose. Cellulose is found in the plant cell wall, but it is not the stored food of the red algae. Floridian starch. Yes, Floridian starch is the stored food material in the red algae. Glycogen. No, glycogen is the stored food material in the fungi and the animals, but not of the red algae. Starch. Starch is seen in the green algae. So in case of green algae, the stored food material is the starch. So the correct option for the given question is B, that says Floridian starch. Let's pick up the next question. This question says which of the following does not happen in G1 phase? In interphase there are G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. In these phases, there is duplication of the materials. So this question asks about which does not happen in the G1 phase. A. Cell organelles duplication. There is duplication of the cell organelles in case of G1 phase. So this occurs in the G1 phase. DNA replication? No. Why? Because DNA replication takes place in the synthesis phase or the S phase. Now C, cytoplasmic growth, it occurs in the G1 phase. D, RNA synthesis, it also occurs in the G1 phase. So the correct option for the given question is option B, which is DNA replication because it takes place in the S phase. Let's move to the next question.